group working to get pot legalized recreationally pled their case to the state's highest court. They're hoping to get the question on the November ballot. But as News 9's Brittany Toulis tells us, a bump in the road may put the question off, Brittany, until another election.
Yeah, that's right, Amanda. Now, today's date, August 26th, may seem like a mundane one, but for groups trying to get a ballot question on a regular election, it's a must-meet per the state election board. The group trying to get weed legalized recreationally, taking legal action to work around that date. Waiting for the next steps.
Especially in this last couple of weeks, anxious that this ballot measure might not appear on the November ballot.
Waiting is all the Yes on 820 group did for about 6 weeks.
Petition through this process is already cumbersome, and hiring a new vendor outside of the Secretary of State's office to conduct the count, there were many delays that occurred.
That vendor, Western Petition Systems, who didn't answer any of our questions, was contracted by the state to verify signatures. They took twice as long compared to the last time a ballot question was proposed. That time had twice the signatures, counted in half the time.
I don't think that we would even be in this position if the state wasn't insistent upon an August 26th deadline that doesn't exist anywhere in law. You can't find it in an administrative rule, you can't find it in statute, and it's certainly not in the Constitution.
That date, today's date, is a practical one set by the state election board, giving them time to print ballots by the only date that's in the state statute, September 24th. Yes on 820 quotes this specific statute several times, especially the part saying, quote, at the next election.
That trumps all of this, and it certainly trumps a date that the election board made up for convenience sake.
Now, the state election board won't comment on ongoing litigation. The decision is expected to be made in the next few days. Now, if the question cannot move forward for this election, voters will have to wait till the governor either calls a special election or until the 2024 general election to answer that question. In the newsroom, Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's own News 9.